Your car is built for speed. It's supposed to zip along happy and fast. But right now, it feels like it's dragging its feet, slow and tired, even angry. Here's the wild part. Nothing is broken at all. Your engine is fine. Your wheels are good. It's working just fine. Yet you are actually making it a sleepy turtle without even knowing you are doing it. It's a secret mistake. And it's not just one secret mistake. It's actually a whole bunch of tiny little things that can pile up. They all work together to make your happy, zippy car feel all tired and mopey, just like that sleepy turtle. We're not talking about big, scary engine problems that cost a lot of money to fix. Nope. These are the super simple, everyday things that are so easy to miss. Think of them like little grumpy gremlins hiding in your car, secretly slowing it down when you're not looking. But we are going to find every single one. Today, we're going to count down the top 10 sleepy car mistakes that almost everyone makes. And the best part? You can fix them all yourself super easily. So get ready to say bye-bye to the sleepy turtle and hello to your happy Zoom Zoom race car again. Are you ready? Let's jump right in with number 1. Number 1. Driving with underinflated tires. This is a super common one. Think of your car's tires like it's running shoes. When they don't have enough air inside, they get all soft and squishy on the bottom. It's just like trying to ride a bicycle with flat tires. You have to pedal so much harder, right? Well, it's the same for your car. The engine has to work extra hard just to push those mushy tires forward. That makes your car feel really slow and sleepy, like it's driving through thick honey. The fix is so easy. Just add some air. You can find the right number on a little sticker inside the driver's door. Okay, so getting the tires right is a huge first step. But what's next on our list? Number 2. Ignoring a dirty air filter. Did you know your car needs to breathe just like you? It has a special part called an air filter to make sure it gets lots of nice, clean air. But after a while, that filter gets all clogged up with yucky dust and dirt. It's kind of like your car gets a really stuffy nose. Have you ever tried to run super fast when you can't breathe through your nose? It's hard, right? Well, that's exactly how the engine feels. It can't get enough air, so it feels weak and sleepy and just can't zoom properly. The good news is, changing it is super easy. Okay, so making sure the car can breathe is a big one. But what about the food it eats? Number 3. Carrying excess weight. Imagine trying to run a race while carrying a big, heavy backpack. You'd get tired really fast, wouldn't you? Well, that's exactly how your car feels. When the trunk is packed with lots of heavy things you don't really need, like old sports gear, big boxes, or forgotten toys, it's like the car has to carry that heavy backpack everywhere it goes. All that extra weight makes the engine work so much harder just to move, making it feel sleepy and slow. Cleaning out the car is a super easy, no-cost way to help it feel light and speedy again. Okay, so a lighter car is a happier car. But what about the way you actually drive it? Number 4. Using the wrong fuel grade. Did you know some cars are picky eaters? It's true. Certain cars are built to run on special high-energy fuel. When they get the regular kind instead, it's like trying to run a race after eating sleepy time food. The car's smart computer knows it's not the right stuff, so it tells the engine to take it easy to stay safe. This makes the car feel tired and prevents it from going zoom like it really wants to. To find out what your car loves to eat, just check its instruction book or look for a little sticker inside the gas door. Okay, so the car has the right snack, but what you do with your feet can make an even bigger difference. Let's look at that next. Number 5. Delaying oil changes. Think of your car's oil like the water on a super fun water slide. When it's fresh and clean, all the little engine parts can zoom past each other, super slippery and happy. Everything moves fast and easy, but after a while, that oil gets old and turns into sticky, yucky goo. It's like a water slide with no water. The parts have to rub and push really hard just to move. That's why the car feels so tired and slow. Getting fresh, new oil makes everything slippery again, so the engine feels powerful and ready to go. Vroom, vroom. Okay, so the engine is happy on the inside. But what about the way you drive it? Let's look at that. Number 6. Riding the brakes. Imagine you're riding your bicycle as fast as you can. But what if someone was gently holding the brakes the whole time? It would be so hard to pedal, wouldn't it? That's what happens when your foot rests on the brake pedal while you're driving. The car is trying to go, but the brakes are whispering stop, stop, stop at the same time. The engine has to push much harder just to move forward, which makes it feel super sleepy. So make sure your foot is only on the brake when it's time to slow down. Okay, that's an easy fix. But what happens when you're driving in the city? Let's find out. Number 7. Driving in the wrong gear. Have you ever tried to ride a bike up a big hill in the hardest gear? Your legs have to work so hard. Well, your car's engine feels the same way. It uses gears to help it go. If the car is in a gear that's too high for its speed, the engine has to push and push just to move. It gets all tired and grumpy. It can't zoom. But when it's in the perfect gear, the engine feels strong and happy. It can give the car all the power it needs to go fast. Okay, so we need the right gear. But what about when we're stopping all the time? Let's see what's next. Number 8. Neglecting spark plug maintenance. Did you know your car's engine has tiny lightning bolts inside? It's true. These little zaps come from special parts called spark plugs. Zap, zap, zap. This tiny spark is what tells the engine to wake up and go. It's the magic that starts the zoom. But after a long time, the spark plugs get all old and tired. Their zap gets very sleepy. Instead of a big strong zap, it's just a little pfft. When the spark is weak, the engine gets the hiccups. It might feel all shaky and grumpy. Fresh, new spark plugs help the engine make a big, happy whoosh. But what about when the engine is just sitting still? Let's look at that. Number 9. Running with low tire pressure. Imagine your car wearing big, floppy, squishy rain boots instead of strong shoes. Splish, splosh. It would be super hard to run, right? That's what happens when your tires don't have enough air. They get all soft and squishy. The engine has to push so much harder just to make the car roll, which makes it feel super sleepy. Turning corners can feel all wobbly too. Check the little sticker inside the driver's door to see how much air they need to be strong and round. Okay, so the car's feet are happy. But what happens if the car sits around doing nothing for too long? Let's find out in our final tip. Number 10. Leaving roof racks installed unnecessarily. Imagine you're trying to run really fast, but you're also holding a giant kite. Whoosh! The wind would catch the kite and try to pull you backward, right? It would be so hard to run. That's exactly what a roof rack does to your car, even when it's empty. It's like a big metal kite that's always on. So when you're not using it, taking it off helps your car feel super light and fast again. Easy peasy. We uncovered all those tiny secret mistakes that make your car feel like a sleepy turtle, even when it's perfectly fine. We saw how something as simple as tire pressure, a dirty air filter, or even just a roof rack can make a big difference. It turns out, it's the little everyday stuff that secretly holds your car back.